Hey guys, it's Michelle Lundy from Making It as a Middle School Teacher, and I'm back for another Tech Tip Tuesday tutorial for you today. And this one will be a pretty quick one. A lot of people want to know how to go about leaving a backlink or a hot link in a comment. And so I thought I would share just real quickly with you how to do that. You can see here on my blog a couple of people have included those that you can just click right on and go straight to their blog. Here's Kim from Joy in 6. Here's Lorraine from Fabulous 4th Grade Froggies. And you see she's actually included 2 different links here, but you can just click those and go right to their blog. And so that's a good way for people to find you quickly when you leave comments. So I'm going to go to another friend's blog. This is Michelle from the 3 a.m. Teacher. And you see she's got some great freebies here. So when you go to her website, you always want to check out what she's got offered for you. Just about every post of hers, she's got some great freebie graphics that she prepares for you. Alright, so I'm going to come down here to her comment section. And I'm going to write that I love the tie-dye. Looks great. Okay, and then I'm going to sign it with my name, and then I'm going to type in a little bit of an HTML code that's going to provide the backlink. Okay, it's not hard. After you've typed it a few times, you'll memorize it, and then you just can do it without really thinking about it. But the first thing you're going to do is put the less than symbol. And this is sort of opening up your HTML line, and then you put an A and then a space, and that'll be the only space until you get to the actual name of your blog. And then it's href, then an equal sign. And I'll think about this as saying, okay, what I'm fixing to reference equals this website that I'm going to type in. So then you put a quotation mark, and then you type in your URL. Oops, sorry. Can't type and talk at the same time. Okay. Alright. And then you're going to type in your blog URL. Alright. And then you're going to put another closing off your quotations. And that is saying specifically that that website is what you're going to reference. And then you put a greater than sign. And in my mind, I think about this is telling me that that website that I just typed in, that URL, is going to send me to this real name. Okay, so I'm going to type in Making It as a Middle School Teacher. And so now that's what will actually be displayed when the comment is posted on someone else's blog. It's actually going to show Making It as a Middle School Teacher in the link. Okay, then you've just got one thing left to do, and this is closing off that line of HTML code. So you're going to start with a less than again, and this slash with an A is telling you that it's closing off, and then the greater than symbol. So this over here is opening us up, and this over here is closing it down. Everything else has to be specific as far as the spacing or the lack of spaces for the most part, the quotations, the equal sign, everything has to be exact. Okay, so that when I publish this on her blog, okay, here it is, love the tie-dye, looks great, and then I could actually click on this to go back to my blog. Okay, so that's a good way to keep up with that. Now, I actually do have this saved on a document. I keep it on my desktop. It's right here. It's called a hot link for Making It Teacher. Because sometimes if you're going to go blog hopping and leave a lot of comments, you can just do some cutting and pasting, and it's going to save yourself a lot of time than typing out all that HTML code, especially if you have a long URL or a long blog name. And so I would just be able to just hit copy and paste and save myself a lot of keystrokes. Okay? You'll also see in the blog post below this video, I did make a kind of a little cheat sheet for you that has some code there, and it just shows you what to replace that's in the red ink. And so you're welcome to download that to your computer. You wouldn't necessarily have to print it off, but you could just download it so you have that as a little cheat sheet for yourself. Okay? In the meantime, I appreciate that you have taken the time to come by and listen to another Tech Tip Tuesday, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.